I know, yeah. Oh, fuck you now, you bastard. Fuck it. Alright, what's happening, guys? It's me, the Hairy Irishman, and we're back for another video. I'm a small bit more excited today because I might be buying a new bike. We shall see. Sorry, lady. But we shall see. I don't know yet. There's a bad situation with a van, but we'll try to sort something out. I'm sure we'll get something. If shit comes to fucking hit the fucking van fucking hard, I can rent a van. Surely. Hopefully. Is there an age limit on renting a van, I wonder? Huh. Tinker, alright, that is one. That one's a right old Tinker, so that is. I don't think there should be. Ah, fuck it. Anyway. Yeah, she's a CBR Fireblade 900. So... the fuck, like. So, hopefully... we shall be there. Huh. Oh, I hope we can now, because the wires didn't come today, so maybe I might buy just another bike. No, I was on about getting one anyway, and I have a bit of moolah stashed away, so hopefully we can get a. So, fingers crossed, motherfuckers, that one of the lads can get a van. Save me a bit of money. Nah, I give him money to give, because I don't know. Pay for, you have to at least put the diesel into it. If all else fails, I'll drive it down myself. Sure. Man, it's gonna be good. Oh, okay, go on. It's gonna be a fun one. What the fuck is he doing? See, this is the thing you have to fucking watch, but it's assholes not paying attention, or it's just assholes being assholes and driving way too close. Fucking bullshit. I met him in Blackpool one day, talking to him for a while. He's on our skin. So, oh, hopefully, boss. Fingers crossed. Oh, that's like my car, except for not in a state. And not an 11. But I can't wait. I hope it doesn't hit the fan now like the R6, but sure. I went to him holidays. Fucking hell, man. I went away home early as well. I just said, I just couldn't, like, I just went home. I was like, nah. I was thinking about it this morning. I was like, oh, and I was like, oh, will or I won't. I was like, oh, I'm for sure. The second it came into my fucking head, I was doing it. know what I mean? Like, so it took a lot now to convince myself. It would take an awful lot to convince me to stay, in all fairness. The weather. I know, it's just I got stuff to do, so piece of shit. Oh, another thing I must address. Now, I don't know, is it a Cork thing or what, but I've never seen it happen anywhere else. But, Joe, when you're like, you're filtering up through traffic, kinda, right? You know, you're close, but you're not too close to. What the fuck is that smell, boy? You're close, but you're not on his ass, like, you know? And, one second now. You know, you're not on their ass, like you're about 2 bike lengths away. Well, 1 car length. You know? 1 car length away, okay? Maybe less, maybe half a car length away, okay? Pushing it. And you'll be out, like, you'll be outright. You'll be out to the right hand side of him, as you're waiting for a clearance to go, you know, and they start pressing the brake. Come on, buddy. They start pressing the brake for some reason, and it actually fucks you up then, because you're watching them and you can't watch ahead, or you're watching ahead and you're not watching them, and they start braking and you're, oh shit, and then all of a sudden you're coming on a common car. I don't like, and the road could be clear ahead, like, as in obviously at their side, like, or my side, whatever, you know. Just don't get it. It's really fucking annoying. But it seems to be the high-end cars, as in high-end cars of Ireland, you know. You know, the smell is following me, but it smells actually inside the helmet. Right. Yeah, but it's actually very bad. Okay. Sorry about the wind noise, but I couldn't take that smell anymore. Oh. So what we call it, fuck it. Okay, that's it. That was slow. Alrighty then, guys, that's the end of today's video, because I couldn't remember what I was on about. So if you liked today's video, hit that like button. If you want to see more, hit that subscribe button. Alright, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Sweet boys. Couldn't do that there now because I just seen that cunt. Sweet.